In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use version history in OneDrive. This feature is particularly useful when you need to revert to an earlier version of a document or simply want to view changes made over time. It's incredibly handy, especially if you've made an error or if multiple people are collaborating on the same document. So let's dive into the step-by-step process to effectively use this feature. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Microsoft account. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. Once you're logged in, you should be on the Microsoft account homepage. Here at the top left of the screen, you will see the Apps Launcher icon. We often call it the waffle because of how it looks. Click on that and you'll be greeted with a list of apps. Next, find the OneDrive app from this list and click on it. This takes you directly to your OneDrive homepage. As a note, having a reliable internet connection ensures that you're able to seamlessly perform these actions without interruption. On the OneDrive homepage, you'll see a variety of options. Direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen and click on My Files. This is where you can access all the files and folders you've stored in OneDrive. Now you'll need to locate the specific folder that contains the file you're interested in. Navigate through your folders until you find the correct one. If you have many files, using the search function can also help here. Once you've found your folder, click on it to open it. Within this folder, look for the file that you want to check the version history for. Selecting the file is straightforward, just click once to highlight it. With the file selected, your next step is to click on version history. This option might be available in a toolbar at the top, or you might find it in a drop-down menu, usually under more options or something similar depending on your OneDrive layout and settings. This brings up a list of all the different versions of your file saved over time. Here you can browse through the list looking at dates and times to determine which version you want to restore. When you find it, click the arrow next to that particular version. Finally, within the drop-down that appears, you'll see the option to restore this version. Click on Restore and you're done. Your document is now reverted back to the version you selected. This won't delete newer versions, they'll still be available in your version history, just in case you need them again later. And that's it, you've successfully used the version history feature in OneDrive. This tool is a fantastic way to manage document edits efficiently and ensure that you never lose important changes. Thanks for watching and happy